Assalamualaikum, সবাইকে নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা। I'm Irene Jahan, the teacher of LPSC School of Campus 4. How are you all? I think all of you are well and safe. You know that millions of people are attacked by coronavirus all around the world. It spreads all over the world. So huge of people are homeless and they have lost their lives. So many bad conditions. In this condition, we have to be safe. If we want to be safe, we have to stay home. Nobody will go outside, and also we'll wash our hands at least 20 seconds, and nobody will touch your mouth, your noses, and your eyes also. Don't be upset, be brave. Now I'm going to take your English first paper class of second term. I will take your English first paper class of class 4 ORC book. That means Oxford Reading Circle. Your second term syllabus will start from the story Don't Talk book at page 101. The story name is Don't Talk. If you follow this page, there is a nice picture. In this picture there is a boy who looks very angry. There is a cat and there are so many toys, and there is a beautiful garden outside the window. There is a sleeper. Okay, now I start. The story name is Don't Talk. Tommy Smith lived with his father and mother in a lovely little house. Tommy had everything a child could want. Tommy Smith is the name of this little boy. He lived with his father and mother in a lovely house. Tommy had everything a child could want. টমি অনেক কিছু ছিল, একটা বাচ্চা হিসেবে যা কিছু থাকার কথা, খেলনা, সাইকেল, সব কিছুই তার ছিল। There was a beautiful garden at the back of the house. At the back of the house there was a beautiful garden. একটা সুন্দর বাগান ছিল তাদের বাড়ির পেছনে। In it there was a swing and a slide and a climbing frame. Swing means দোলনা, and a slide means যেটাতে বসে স্লিপ করা যায়, স্লিপার। অ্যান্ড আ ক্লাইম্বিং ফ্রেম, এটা একটা ক্লাইম্বিং বেয়ে ওঠার একটা ফ্রেম স্ট্রাকচার, যেটা বেয়ে উপরে ওঠা যায়। There was even a tree house for young Tommy to play in, and there was also a tree house, and in the tree house Tommy play. Okay, turn over the page 102. Tommy had his own room in which there was a large box of toys. He had also his own room, and in his room there was a large box which is full of toys. He also had a shiny new bicycle which he kept in the shade in the garden. He had what does it mean, shiny? Shiny means bright, chokchoke. Which he kept in the shade in the garden. Shade means ছায়া, মানে দ্যাট মিন্স আ বিল্ডিং উইথ রুফ বাট ওপেন সাইডস, মানে যার ছাদ আছে বাট সাইডে কিছু নেই, খালি। And the lucky boy also had a pet. Lucky means fortunate, যাকে বলা হয় ভাগ্যবান। And had a pet means tamed, পোষা প্রাণী, tamed animal, পোষা প্রাণী। So a beautiful cat called Smudge. His cat's name is Smudge. Tommy was a lucky boy, but was he happy? No, he was not. As you shall find out, Tommy was a lucky boy, but was he happy? Actually, Tommy তো সব কিছুই ছিল, বাট আসলে কি সে ভাগ্যবান ছিল? নো। আসলে কি সে সুখী ছিল? নো, হি ওয়াজ নট, অ্যাজ ইউ শ্যাল ফাইন্ড আউট। তোমরা এটা খুঁজে বের করো। দ্য স্যাড থিং ওয়াজ টমি গট ক্রস ইজিলি। আসলে দুঃখের বিষয় ছিল, টমি বিকামস অ্যাংরি ইজিলি, খুব সহজেই সে রেগে যেত। ফ্রম টাইম টু টাইম ইট গট হিম ইনটু ট্রাবল। এই জন্য টাইম টু টাইম ইট গট হিম ইনটু ট্রাবল, it makes him in trouble, এটা তাকে সমস্যায় ফেলে দিত। One day Tommy got cross with his mother. One day Tommy became angry with his mother. I don't want to talk to you, shouted Tommy. Tommy shouted that he doesn't want to talk to his mother. He stomped upstairs to his bedroom, slamming the door. Stomped, there is a meaning, if you follow. Stomped, walked or stamped noisily in anger. Actually, stomped is the past form of stamp. Stomped means মানে জোরে জোরে আঘাত করা, পা দিয়ে ভূমি মাটিতে জোরে জোরে আঘাত করা। রাগ হয়ে গেলে আমরা যখন মাটিতে জোরে জোরে আঘাত করি, আঘাত করতে করতে হেঁটে চলে যাই, সেটাকে বলা হচ্ছে স্টম্পড। স্ল্যাম, টু শাট উইথ ফোর্স, জোরে বন্ধ করা, খুব জোরে কোনো কিছু বন্ধ করে দেওয়া। বিহেভিয়ার, দ্য ওয়ে ইন হুইচ সামওয়ান বিহেভস, that means manner, achoron. He stormed upstairs to his bedroom, slamming the door. What a rude behavior! That means his behavior was rude. Rude means impolite. In the evening, Tommy's father came home from the office. When Tommy's father came from the office in the evening, Tommy's mother said, "I think you should talk to young Tommy. He has not been a very good boy today." Tommy's mother told Tommy's father that he had to talk to young Tommy because he had not been a very good boy that day. Mrs. Smith told Mr. Smith what had happened. So Mrs. Smith explained Mr. Smith what had happened on that day. So, dear student, you will read the page 101 and 102. These two pages you will practice at your home. No more today. Thank you for watching my class. Don't forget, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.